police station. This is Kiki, police officer.
Huh?
If you are in any trouble, find the police officer, Kiki. Oh, my phone's ringing. Let's get the phone. Hello, this is Kiki, police officer.
Officer Kiki, I've lost my keys. Can you help me?
You'll be all right. I'll be right there. Give item police uniform, police hat, handcuffs, police watch. Police officer Kiki, move now. I need to go to the scene and see what's happened.
Officer, over here. Huh?
Hi, I am Kiki, police officer. What happened?
I've lost my keys. I can't open the treasure chest.
Calm down. Where have you lost it? Let's go there together. Connect 3 of the matching keys to open a treasure box.
That's awesome, Officer Kiki. I opened the treasure chest. Wow, it's my lollipop. Thank you, Officer Kiki.
You're welcome. Mission complete. Let's receive a medal. Kids, you have to take good care of your belongings to avoid any loss. Oh my phone! Hello, this is Kiki, police officer.
Oh no! The bank is being robbed!
You'll be all right. I'll be right there. Give item. Police hat. Handcuffs. Hurry up. Let's get the thief before he runs away. Don't move! Freeze! Don't move! Don't move! Freeze! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Let's receive a medal. Oh, my phone's ringing. Let's get it. Hello, this is Kiki, police officer. Officer Kiki, I've lost my father. Boo-hoo. Don't worry, I'll be right there. Police uniform. Police. Police officer Kiki, move. I need to go to the scene and see what's happened.
Huh?
I'm Kiki, police officer. What's going on? Officer Kiki, I've lost my father. Boo-hoo. Don't cry. Let's find him together. What does your father look like? Here are all my photos, and they are all damaged. It's all right. Let's work on the photo. You made it. What does Spike's father look like? My dad. Police officer Kiki will take you to your father.
Officer Kiki, I've lost my box. Can you find it for me?
Help Hippo return the box. Police officer Kiki, you are amazing.
Thank you, officer.
My pleasure. Have you seen Spikes?
I just saw it at the candy shop.
Thank you. I'll be right there to check it out.
Officer Kiki, the car is blocking the way.
You can't pull over your car on the road. Move your car to a parking area. Police officer Kiki, you are amazing.
I can move now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have you seen Spike's father?
Probably right at the candy store.
I'll check that out soon. Hi, Momo.
Where are you, Munchkin?
Dad!
Hi!
That's my dad!
Hi!
Thank goodness. Spike found his father. Thank you, Officer Key. Not a problem. Be careful not to get lost again. Mission complete. Let's receive a medal. When you get... Oh my... Hello, this is Kiki, police officer.
Officer Kiki, there's a traffic jam at the intersection. Can you sort it out?
You'll be alright. I'll be right there. Police hat, police whistle, police. Police officer Kiki. I need to go to the scene and see what happened. Police officer, what happened?
Police officer, can you direct the traffic? It's very heavy.
Don't worry, you can count on me. Here are 3 signs in red, yellow, and blue. A blue car can run on the road with a blue. You are the best. That's it.
Wow, thank you, Officer Kiki.
It's okay.
Oh,
Mission complete. Let's receive a medal. Hello, this is Kiki, police officer. Officer Kiki, I can't find my puppy. Please find him. You'll be all right. I'll be right there. Police officer Kiki. I need to go to the scene and see what's happened.
oh,
Hi, I am Kiki, police officer. What happened? I lost my puppy. What can I do? Don't worry. Do you have surveillance cameras at your house? This is a CCTV camera. Yes. Let's check the surveillance camera first. We can get the thief soon. Click the switch to open the screen. Write a number to watch videos. 0. 6. 1. 7. 0. 6. 1. 7. Move the switch to find the dog. Look at that! He's over there. Officer Kiki, thank you for finding my pup. Not a problem. Take care of your pet. Mission complete. Let's receive a medal. Kids, you have to take care of your pets.